Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will introduce to you a tool that helps you automatically post Reels to the Instagram platform. The software will help you manage multiple Instagram accounts, and you will post videos to those accounts to attract engagement or maybe sales. When you use the software, I will support you until you master the software. If you are interested in the software, please contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp below the screen.